everyone, greetings from National Skills Network. This is Madhuri and I'm back with another informative presentation, and this time it is on CITS. CITS stands for Craft Instructor Training Scheme. This is from DGT, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India, a flagship program which is aimed at training those aspirants who want to build a career in technical training institutions, skill development organizations, and related institutions in India. So the advertisement for admissions was recently out, and we are going to talk about it, of course. And also along with it, not just the eligibility or the outcomes, but also along with it, we are going to look at the institutions which play a crucial role in designing and delivering this program across the country, and also what are the career prospects after doing CITS besides becoming a trainer or an instructor in ITIs, government and private. And if you have been following us on our YouTube channel and on our website, I'm sure you would have subscribed to our channel, but in case you haven't done that, it's the right moment to do it. So please go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from us. Now I will take you through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, and let's learn more about how this system operates with the help of several organizations and institutions. Behind every successful skilled professional, there is a trained instructor. I'm sure you all agree. And behind every instructor, there is a system which is working behind and bringing all that knowledge, those skills and the methodology and the technology to help the trainer deliver to the best of their capabilities. And here we have institutions like NSTIs, ITOTs, and CSTARI. We will learn more as we go ahead. So if we really want to skill India, we must first skill the trainers, and that's where CITS comes in. So CITS admission, the announcement was just made. This is for 41 trades, which includes 28 engineering and 13 non-engineering trades. The training is offered at NSTIs and ITOTs across India. And during the last 5 years or so, 45,000 trainers were trained under CITS. And candidates with NTC, NAC, diploma, degree, etc., they can apply online. I'll tell you more about who are eligible for applying for CITS. And the online link that is shown here, I'll also show you a quick demo about how to apply from the NIMI portal. And the admission is through All India Common Entrance Test for CITS, which is conducted in a CBT or computer-based testing mode. And the exam is at present scheduled for 15th June. I'll give you more details as we go ahead. Now, why CITS becomes even more importance is the growth of ITIs in India. And not only the growth, but there are so many schemes that are coming up about upgradation of ITIs, creating the hub and spoke model, modernizing the ITIs. When we talk about all these goals, CITS becomes even more crucial in building the right capacity with the right abilities to deliver the most effective kind of programs. As we know, ITIs form the backbone of technical training in India. There are government and private ITIs offering Craftsman Training Scheme. That's the course which ITIs offer for various types of students, right from 8th pass to 12th pass. And there are many trades which require just a 10th pass kind of a qualification, and the duration ranges from 6 to 12 years. So CITS, why does it assume so much of importance? First of all, we should also remember that CITS is not just for training in ITIs. What I mean to say is, after doing CITS, it is not that you will be, aiming to become a trainer in ITI. Of course, that is one of the reasons why people, do this, enroll for this program. But there are also many other opportunities to become trainers and pursue other allied professions, which you will learn little later in this presentation. So CITS is a flagship program under the Directorate General of Training, DGT, from the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India. It is aimed at training instructors who will teach at ITIs and other institutes across the country. Now, this particular scheme, caters to training of trainers in non-engineering and engineering disciplines, which is, say, in the non-engineering stream, you have 17 disciplines or trades, and in the engineering, it is 38. So that is the breakup. And it is implemented through a network of NSTIs, that is National Skill Training Institutes and ITOTs. And these NSTIs, which are 33 in number, of them, 19 NSTIs are exclusively for women. So what we just saw about CITS, which is aimed at giving comprehensive training, which goes into the technical and non-technical aspects of training in a technical, setup where courses are being offered for enhancing employability, for connecting with the job market. It is very important that they understand the requirements first when they are applying. So those who are, qualified with NTC, that is National Trade Certificate or National Apprenticeship Certificate or any other equivalent qualification in a relevant trade, is what matters to apply for CITS program. And the admission is through All India Common Entrance Test, which is conducted by DGT. So it's a national level test. And the duration of the program is 1 year full-time course. And it offers training in trade technology, which is the subject matter expertise. Like, for example, if you are into CNC machines, or if you are into a subsector of manufacturing or welding, or if you're going into any specific, let's say if you're into, electronics related discipline. So one of the courses will be on that. So your expertise will be groomed in that area, along with training methodology, which includes pedagogy, assessments, etc., and also using technology in the classroom and other related technology kind of subjects, and the use of computers or use of latest technology. Probably it could be using AI as well. So this is also included. And on successful completion of this program, the candidates are awarded National Craft Instructor Certificate, which is NCIC. And as per the latest, mandates from NCVET, to become a trainer in ITI, CITS is a mandatory qualification. And the objectives of CITS is to create a pool of qualified trainers for ITIs and also other training institutions, improve the quality of training, make it, global standard, and provide industry relevant skills and pedagogy. This is absolutely crucial, because when we are talking about technology related training programs, it has to be always aligned with the industry. So continuous learning is important. And also deliver, and also deliver NSQF compliant training to the students. So once the instructors are trained through CITS, they will also understand the entire NSQF framework, why it is important, the credit framework, and other related aspects of technical training. So it helps them build pedagogical as well as trade specific skills. Now, the interesting part of CITS is that there are more career advancement opportunities which open up besides being an instructor in any of the ITIs, private or government. So other roles are like you can serve as an instructor for both short-term and long-term training in various skill training programs across the country, anywhere, and explore roles like training coordinators in industries for workforce training. Let's say there are companies like Bosch or Siemens or any other company, Toyota, they would prefer candidates who have had this CITS qualification. And you can also compete globally in the field of vocational and technical training. And in case you're interested in writing instructional materials for vocational education, this would be a fantastic opportunity as well. Now, we just mentioned three important institutions or sets of institutions which play a crucial role in delivering training for the CITS program. Now, what are these? First is NSTI. NSTIs are National Skill Training Institutes spread across the country. And ITOT is the Institute of Training of Trainers. ITOTs are more like supporting partners for NSTIs. NSTIs play a very important and primary role, and they in fact serve as Center of Excellence for Instructor Training. Then the CSTARI, which is Central Staff Training and Research Institute. This institute is like the backbone for offering the program because they are the ones who do the research, the curriculum, pedagogy, technology enablement, and other related things. Now, a little bit about NSTIs and ITOTs. NSTIs are premium institutions, and they are spread across the country, and they serve as centers of excellence. And they offer courses in both non-engineering and engineering with focus on latest technologies. And ITOTs, I'll come back to it a little later, but let us look at the spread of NSTIs. You can see all these here. So the ones marked in pink are the women NSTIs in various parts of India. Now let's look at this very important distinction between NSTI and ITOT. Both of them are playing a crucial role in delivering the CITS training. NSTI, for example, in terms of ownership, it is directly under the Ministry of Skill Development, DGT, MSDEs, that is central government, all the NSTIs, whereas ITOTs need not be, they could be private or affiliated to DGT. In terms of the role, NSTIs are the primary institutions delivering the instructor training, and ITOTs are kind of supporting this program as additional institutions who can deliver the same program. And the programs offered by NSTIs are a little more wide ranging in terms of advanced diploma courses, short-term courses, whereas ITOT, it is mostly CITS and other instructor related kind of training. And in terms of authority, NSTIs are fully funded and managed by MSDE, that is the central government, and ITOTs could be running independently, but they could also be approved by DGT. Now, the scale and reach of NSTIs is huge across all the major states, cities in India. And these ITOTs are expanding their capacity in more regions. So they are growing right now. And infrastructure standards, both of them are supposed to maintain very high infrastructure standards because, it's important to have the right infrastructure because we are talking about practical training. And for ITOTs, it is a must that they meet the DGT criteria to get affiliated as a training organization. Now, the CSTARI, which is in Kolkata, also plays a crucial role in enabling CITS program through curriculum development, training methodology, research and innovation, support for various types of programs, assessment, evaluation, and overall capacity building and staff development. So I'll take you through the websites of all these major institutions. You can get a glimpse of what exactly you will get to see when you visit those websites. Now I'm showing you the actual details of the CITS announcement from the NIMI website along with the tentative schedule. So if you come to this website, you can click the tentative schedule and look at the details that are provided here. So there are many details about the date of advertisement, how to register online, downloading the hall tickets, conducting the exam, announcement of results, counseling, and there are many other details as you can see here. So this is one source where you can go and check for authentic details about the CITS program. So here's the list of NSTIs. I've come here from the Directorate General of Training from the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship website. So you can see here the number of NSTIs in various locations and the details and how you can contact them if you need any more information. In Bihar, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, and Punjab. What you notice here is few states have multiple NSTIs, and some of them cater only to women candidates. Now here I'm showing you the list of ITOTs, which is Institute of Training of Trainers across India. Again, it's a very long list. So I'm just showing you a glimpse of the ITOTs in various locations. They are also sharing their mobile numbers here and the contact email ID. So in case you need to know more, you can always contact them depending on the location where you are placed or where you live. Now I'm showing you the website of CSTARI, which is Central Staff Training and Research Institute in Kolkata. So when you come here, you can actually see the NSQF compliant courses under Craft Instructor Training Scheme, what we just discussed about CITS. You can really go through all the details of various courses, various subjects here. Like, for instance, you can see fashion design and technology, electronics, mechanic, dressmaking, computer aided embroidery, aeronautical structure and equipment fitter. So NSQF 4.5 that is the NSQF level. So all the NSQF levels are also mentioned here. Let me just show you one of them, multimedia animation and special effects, which is at NSQF level 4. So when you come inside, you will see the competency-based curriculum for Craft Instructor Training Scheme. And this comes under the industry sector of media and entertainment. So if you go inside, you will see more details. This is quite a long document. I'm just trying to, show you a glimpse of it so that you go and do, your own browsing and learn from here. I always feel that before you enroll for any program, you should get a complete picture. And today it is not very difficult because there are institutions and organizations which provide this information. And we from NSN have been putting in a lot of effort to provide authentic and reliable information. So you can always rely on us and depend on us for such information. So what I just showed you is one such program, the curriculum and the details. So that's how I tried to simplify CITS and other details about the program and share them here with you, and I hope it really was useful. And in case you have any queries, you can write to us. We'd be very happy if we can answer them for you. And in case we can't, we will at least try to reach out to people who can help you with more information. And if you want to share any additional information, you can always leave a comment. We are always going to, check these comments and learn more, and that helps us improve our presentations as well. So if you are enrolling for this program, I wish you all the best, and there are wonderful opportunities coming up in skilling, technical education and training, not only in India but in other countries as well. So I hope CITS opens new doors for you, new opportunities, so that you can realize your dream in in a very fulfilling way. So all the best, and let's be in touch and watch out for my next presentation.